Declaring the ceremony open, Mr. Kumapayi said the retreat offered a platform to reflect and take stock on the activities of the Corps and to draw a roadmap to ensure effective implementation of the set goals. He disclosed that the command has received a memo from its headquarters in Abuja directing that from 1st of August, all commands should clamp down on tricycles and motorcycles operating without registered number plates.
As the union arm of the Federal Road Safety Commission, our role in actualizing the mandate of the Commission is to involve policies and programs tailored towards making the highway safe as enshrined in the Federal Road Safety Corps establishment Act 2007.
In their various presentations, the commander in charge of Benin-Asaba-Oka Corridor, Mr. Christopher Kuji, and the head of General Studies of the Federal Road Safety Corps Academy, UDI, Enugu State, Mr. Adeyinka Adedoyin, lamented that about 1.2 million people die daily through road mishaps across the globe and called for strategic partnerships in providing improved road infrastructure with road signs and good designs, raising safety standards and enlightenment of road users, among others. In his goodwill message, the state coordinator, Special Marshals, Mr. Ben Osaka, said the retreat will enable them to streamline their strategies for the implementation of the goals and urged participants to put the knowledge garnered into good use.
I appreciate all of marshals who are here, and I pray not only those to listen and then go back and start always talk and start doing as we are behaving. Let that be change.
The theme of the retreat was visibility as a panacea for road traffic crash and fatality reduction on Nigerian roads. From Federal Road Safety Headquarters, Oka, Blessing Uchendo, ABS News.